This is the emergency broadcasting system. This is not a test. This is not a test. The historic lands of the Louisiana Territory have been sold to the French Republic. As national debt rises, please be aware of the new borders. If you are in the Louisiana Territory and do not have French citizenship, leave immediately. The U.S. national anthem shall play one last time over these lands. God bless America.
Amen.